Imagine waking up one day and realizing the job you spent years preparing for can now be done in 30 seconds by AI. Sounds scary, right? But here's the twist. AI is not just destroying jobs. It's creating a completely new world of opportunities. And if you understand this shift early, you could be among the biggest winners of the AI era. Part 1. The reality check. Let's be honest. AI is already replacing routine work. Customer support, AI chatbots, basic graphic design, AI tools, simple coding, AI copilots, data entry, automation. Even lawyers and doctors are seeing AI tools that can analyze documents and scans in seconds. But here's the important truth. Every major technological revolution has done the same thing. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor. The Internet revolution replaced many traditional businesses. But both created millions of new jobs nobody imagined before. AI is just the next revolution. Part 2. The real danger. The real risk is not AI. The real risk is ignoring AI. Because in the future, there will be two types of professionals. 1. People who use AI. 2. People who compete against people using AI. And guess who wins? Exactly. Part 3. The hot AI career areas. Now let's talk about the opportunities. These are some of the fastest growing areas where demand is exploding. 1. AI engineering. These are the people who build AI systems. They train models, optimize algorithms, and create new AI products. Companies worldwide are paying huge salaries for this skill. Skills involved: Python, machine learning, deep learning, data science. This is one of the most powerful tech careers of the next decade. 2. Prompt engineering. Yes, this is a real job. The better you can talk to AI, the better results you get. Companies now hire experts who know how to write powerful prompts to generate content, marketing campaigns, code, designs, research. In simple terms, people who know how to control AI tools will have massive advantage. 3. AI plus creativity. AI can generate content, but humans still lead in ideas, storytelling, and creativity. This means creators who use AI can produce 10x more content. Opportunities include AI-assisted video creation, AI art and design, AI content creation, AI filmmaking, AI music production. The creator economy is entering a supercharged era. 4. AI in healthcare. AI is transforming medicine faster than most people realize. AI can already detect diseases from scans, predict health risks, analyze patient data, assist in drug discovery. Future doctors will not compete with AI. They will work alongside AI, which means healthcare professionals who understand AI will be extremely valuable. 5. AI automation experts. Businesses everywhere want one thing: efficiency. And AI automation experts help companies automate marketing, sales, customer support, operations. These professionals build AI workflows that save companies millions. This field is exploding right now. Part 4. Skills that will matter most. No matter your career, these skills will become extremely valuable. AI literacy, critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, communication, adaptability. Because AI is powerful, but humans are still better at judgment, empathy, and innovation. Part 5. The mindset shift. Instead of asking, "Will AI take my job?" start asking, "How can AI make me 10 times better at my job?" Because the future belongs to people who combine human intelligence plus artificial intelligence. So, the AI revolution is not coming. It's already here. And just like every major shift in history, some people will fear it, some people will ignore it, but a few people will learn it, master it, and build the future with it. The question is, which one will you be?